Notebooks on Julius are a notebook-style environment that allows you to create and share documents containing code, text, and visualizations. Here you're able to create cells that can be run individually and see the results immediately. And you can combine different cell types like code and markdown, which makes it great for step-by-step analysis. On Julius notebooks, you can work with multiple different types of cells, like file upload cells. These typically are the initial cell in every notebook, and they allow you to upload your file to start your analysis. Text blocks. Text blocks allow you to add formatted text and markdown syntax. With these cells, you can create headers, lists, links, images, and even LaTeX equations. Code cells. These allow you to write and execute code in Python. If you have code that you've had success with in the past, you can paste it here to execute it in your notebook. We found that code cells help improve the reproducibility of both doing in-depth analysis as well as creating consistent visualizations. Prompt cells. These cells let you write instructions in natural language that Julius converts into code for data analysis. Unlike code block cells, Julius has flexibility in how it interprets and fulfills your request, so running the same prompt multiple times may produce different approaches, or code solutions versus a code cell. User input cells. These cells ask for a user response and won't run until an input has been entered. These are generally good for when the AI needs to be guided in the analysis more closely, or when you want to directly ask the user of your notebook how to proceed. Want to give it a try? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other feature requests, let us know in the comment section below.